Okay, so we purchased this. I purchased it as a gift for my husband. It is supposed to be kind of smoke-free. There is still some smoke that comes out of it, so it's not perfect, but it's definitely better than a traditional fire pit. They do have kits that you can buy with wood that you can just throw in there, but we have plenty of wood that we burn, so we don't need to do that. So, alrighty, I hope this was helpful. Overall, we've only had it like a month, maybe 2 months now, so I can't say how long it'll last. We do use the cover on it so it doesn't get rusty or anything when it's not in use. So, alrighty, and as you can see, there is some smoke coming up, but again, not as bad as a traditional fire pit. Thanks so much. Take care.